ClickUp's free version is impressively robust, making it an ideal choice for individuals, startups, or small teams just beginning to organize their tasks and projects. You get unlimited tasks, unlimited users, and access to 100 uses of custom views per month, which is quite generous compared to many other project management tools. The free plan also includes two-factor authentication, 24/7 support, and integrates with many popular apps like Slack, offering a solid features without any financial commitment. However, as your team expands or your project needs become more complex, the additional features in ClickUp's paid plan is required to keep up the pace. So let's look at what additional benefits we can get by upgrading to the paid plans. Hey, Shivam here. If at any point you want to check out the pricing details, you could do so from the link in the description. Also, I'll try to provide you if there is any discount link available. Starting with the features, the first is task automations. On the free plan, the limited automation options might suffice for simple task management. By upgrading, it unlocks unlimited automations that can handle complex sequences. Like it can help automate the entire content approval process for drafting to review and final approval notifications. This ensures that no steps are missed and deadlines are met, which is crucial for fast-paced marketing campaigns. Next is the advanced integrations. While the free plan allows basic integrations, the paid plans offer comprehensive integrations that are vital for seamless operation across various systems. Like integrating ClickUp with GitHub to automatically update task statuses as code is pushed or issues are resolved, keeping the entire team informed in real time and significantly reducing manual updates. Unlimited custom views and dashboards in paid plans can transform how data is visualized and managed. For example, project managers can create custom dashboards to track site progress, resource allocation, and compliances checks. This centralized visibility helps in making timely decisions and ensuring project milestones are achieved on schedule. It also enhances storage capacity, which is essential for industries dealing with large files. Like if you have an architectural firm, you can store and manage high-resolution design files and complex 3D models like Revit and FBX files directly in the ClickUp, enabling easy access and collaboration across the design team. It also unlocks powerful reporting tools that provide deeper insights into your operations. It's great for the HR department as custom reports can track recruitment stages, candidate status, and performance metrics for the recruitment process, helping to refine hiring strategies and improve outcomes. Advanced security in paid plans ensures that sensitive data is protected, crucial for all industries, but especially for those dealing with confidential information. Like you will find advanced permissions in unlimited plan, single sign-on and audit login in business plan, etc. With the help of these features, we can manage who can access patient data, ensuring compliances with regulations like HIPAA, etc. Last but not least, having access to priority support and specialized training can drastically reduce downtime and improve tool utilization. Let's talk about the pricing structure to see which plan might be right for your needs. So there are three paid plans: Unlimited, Business, and Enterprise plan. Unlimited plan is priced at $7 per member per month, billed annually. This plan is a great step up for teams that need more flexibility and storage than the free plan offers. It's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses that require extensive task management capabilities. Business plan is priced at $12 per member per month, billed annually. This plan is for businesses that require advanced project management features like custom role setting, deeper automations, and enhanced reporting tools. It's perfect for medium to large teams that need detailed insights and more control over their workflows. And lastly, they have Enterprise plan. This plan is for large organizations or for those with specific security and compliance needs. It includes everything in the business plan plus features like single sign-on, HIPAA compliance, custom contract and invoice management, and a dedicated manager. Choosing to upgrade depends largely on demands of your projects and the size of your team. If the free plan is no longer sufficient due to the scale of your operations, the additional features of the paid plans can offer the tools you need to manage your workflows more effectively and securely. Again, you can check it out from the description below and see for yourself. However, that wraps up today's video. If you are looking for cloud storage for your business, then there you go. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye-bye.